Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix your laptop keyboard that won't turn on. Let's dive in. The first step is to restart your laptop. A simple reboot can resolve temporary software glitches affecting the keyboard. Step 2. Check for physical damage. Inspect the keyboard for any visible damage or debris. Clean the keyboard gently using compressed air or a soft brush. Step 3. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause the keyboard to malfunction. Update drivers via Device Manager or reinstall them to ensure proper functionality. Step 4. Disable filter keys. Navigate to Settings, open Ether Access, open Keyboard and ensure that filter keys is turned off. Step 5. Test with an external keyboard. Connect an external keyboard to determine if the issue is specific to the laptop's built-in keyboard or a broader system problem. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.